Welcome back to our channel, where style meets elegance and fashion finds its voice. If you're someone who loves keeping your jewelry collection fresh and fabulous, you're in for a treat today. In this video, we're diving into the world of new and unique earrings designs for women that are turning heads in 2025. Whether you're dressing up for a wedding, attending a formal event, or simply want to add a touch of sparkle to your everyday look, these earring trends are just what you need to elevate your accessory game. Let's begin with the asymmetrical earring designs. One of the boldest trends this season. These pieces feature mismatched shapes or lengths that are carefully coordinated for an artistic, fashion-forward vibe. Think one long chain-style earring paired with a smaller stud on the opposite ear, often adorned with pearls, crystals, or geometric motifs. These are perfect for those who love to make a statement without going over the top. Next up, we're seeing a major comeback of sculptural metal earrings, crafted from gold, silver, and even rose gold. These designs focus on abstract shapes and architectural structures. Twisted loops, hammered finishes, and interlocking curves make each pair look like a miniature piece of wearable art. They're elegant, sophisticated, and incredibly versatile, suitable for both office looks and evening outfits. Now let's talk about resin and acrylic earrings, a playful and colorful choice for those who like to experiment. These earrings come in vibrant hues, transparent effects, and even embedded glitter or florals. From funky hoops to drop-style dangles, resin earrings are lightweight, bold, and ideal for adding a pop of color to a monochrome outfit. Another rising favorite is the ear jacket design. These unique earrings feature a decorative backing that peeks out from behind the earlobe, creating a layered and dimensional look, often studded with crystals or pearls. Ear jackets can be mixed and matched with different front studs, giving you endless styling options from just one set. Then, there are the nature-inspired designs, which bring elements like leaves, feathers, butterflies, and even celestial motifs like stars and moons into intricate detailing. These earrings are often handcrafted, blending delicate metalwork with semi-precious stones or enamel to give a romantic and earthy touch to your ensemble. For minimalists, threaded earrings are becoming increasingly popular. These are ultra-sleek designs that literally thread through the ear, creating a simple yet striking visual line. Some come adorned with dainty charms or fine chains, allowing them to sway gently as you move. They're subtle but incredibly chic, ideal for modern, everyday elegance. And of course, we can't forget the personalized earrings trend. Custom initials, nameplates, birthstones, or zodiac signs are now being crafted into stylish earring designs that make each piece feel truly one of a kind. These are especially popular as gifts or statement pieces that reflect your personality. One of the newest innovations we've seen is in convertible earrings, pieces that can be worn in multiple ways. For example, a stud that can be transformed into a dangle with the addition of a detachable charm. This multifunctional design is perfect for travelers or anyone who loves to switch up their look without carrying multiple pairs. As always, fashion is about expressing who you are, And these unique earrings are a brilliant way to do just that. Whether your style is bold and avant-garde, elegant and refined, or playful and colorful, there's a design trend waiting for you to explore. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found some inspiration for your next jewelry purchase, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a trend update. Let us know in the comments which earring style was your favorite, or if you've discovered a new one we should feature next. Until next time, stay stylish and keep shining.